Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to share to you my experience and my learnings in the Cisco NetAcad CCNA1, which I experienced. It's fun because you will learn how to configure devices like switch, router, and to the desktop. So of course, in order to configure them, there's our instructor taught us on how we connect cables, the console cable. So with using that, you can configure a device. So and in the what I learned here in the CCNA is that here you will explain on how multiple networks are used in everyday life. So describe the topologies and the devices used in a small to medium-sized business network. It explains the basic characteristic of a network that supports communication in a small to medium-sized businesses. So explain trends in networking that will affect the use of the network in a small to medium-sized business. And also the features and the function of the Cisco iOS software, which we are here configuring devices in the CLA command, and in the configured initial settings on the network device using the Cisco iOS software. So giving an IP addressing scheme, configure IP address parameters on the end devices to provide end-to-end connectivity in a small to medium-sized business network. So also you will know on how the rules are used to facilitate communications and explain the roles of protocols and standards organizations in facilitating. So you will also know on how devices on how on LAN access resource in a small to medium sized business and network topologies. So you will know also on how the physical layers, protocols, and services support communication across the data networks. So it will build a simple network using the appropriate media. So explain also on how the data link layer supports the communications across the data network. So compare data. You will also distinguish the media access control techniques and the logical topologies used in the network. So we'll also explain the use of the IPv4 address to provide uh, maximum connectivity in a small to medium size business network. So configure IPv6 addresses to provide connectivity in a small to medium size business networks. And lastly, also you will know or you will build your own small network can scale into large network. So configure switches and routers with devices hardening features to enhance securities, and also use common show commands and utilities to be able to establish a relative performance baseline on the network, apply troubleshooting methodologies, and command host and iOS command to resolve problem. And lastly, in how a small network or direct connect segments is created and configured and verified. So this CNA or networking field is a great field since our professor tells us that there are a good paying job here. So I'm a little bit interested in it. So basically that's it for today's video. If you like this video and if I learned something and you have any suggestions, please like and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.